right, we're ready to go up. Glasses on, please. Autonomous control. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, both blue eyes on the move. Hackers with a couple of blue. At least one. See if they can shake that other one down. Nope, that'll do it. All right, so blue is set. Blue one's autonomous, and now we're ready for driver control. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, and we're on. Hackers once again moving quickly to try and solidify their lead. Looks like the red bot, Rusty Wrenches, trying to disrupt their maneuvering, just sort of right on top of them. The other blue bot now gets disrupted as they're trying to use their grabber and put it down onto the mobile goal. On our side there on the red, that's the crazy one, trying to maneuver their red ring onto their red and they drop it, so they're not able to get that done yet. Hackers are continuing to load up. They now have a full mobile goal. The other blue bot, Bulldogs, because they're trying to go over the bar there, and they're able to do so. With 42 seconds left. One of the blue Alliance now has a mobile goal into the double corner and going to protect it from the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance still trying to get a mobile goal. They get one red on the mobile goal. Now they're going after the corner. Only 10 seconds left before those corners become saved. Well brought there by the Hackers. And now they are protected, so Hackers are going to try to get a few more on their mobile goal. And it looks like the Red Alliance and the Bulldogs are going to try and hang as time is running out. Red Alliance are able to do so.